In society, people or us follow some rules and expectation, and these are called social norms. If we follow these rules, these are called an act of conformity. But if we don't, these are called an act of deviance. In this report, we will tackle about the 3 categories of conformity, the 6 theories on deviance, and what is stigma.
Good day everyone, my name is Ansel Garcia and I'm gonna talk about conformity. What is conformity? Conformity is an act of submitting oneself to the norms and convention of society. It means like it's following the rules and expectation of groups or society. There's a 3 types of categories. Three categories of conformity. One is compliance. Compliance is following rules or norms to avoid punishment or gaining rewards, even you don't really agree it. Like example, doing an homework. You doing your homework to get a good grade, even you don't really like the subject. Second is identification. Identification is like copying behavior or beliefs to feel connected to a group or a person. Like as teenager, we using as slang words or popular words like sana all, malupet, lodi, idol, petmalu. They say it because they say it's because to fit with their peers, even they don't really understand it truly. Internalization is like truly believe and accepting the norms as your own. I think it's like being an a religious or a teaching or norms, codes and following those beliefs, like in your following all those beliefs in your daily life.
And now let's talk about deviance. Just like what Jay said, conformity is following the rules. Then deviance is the complete opposite of it. If conformity is following the rules, deviance is breaking the rules. Deviance is a behavior, trait, belief, or other characteristics that violates a norm and causes a negative reaction. The definition of deviance varies wildly across cultures, time, and situations. An example of deviance in Filipino culture is when someone criticizes or kinokontra nila yung family expectation. Example, if yung family mo gusto nila na maging nurse ka, pero ikaw gusto mo maging teacher. If sinunod mo yung gusto mo na maging teacher, this is an act of deviance. Maaaring magkaroon ng negative reaction not just in your family but also in the society. Now let's talk about the 6 theories of deviance. The first theory is structural strain theory. In this theory, people turns to deviance when they can't achieve goals through normal means. An example of this is when ang isang tao ay nagnakaw dahil di niya mabili o ma-afford ang isang bagay na hindi niya gusto. The next theory is labeling theory. In this theory, being called a deviant makes people act more deviant. So an example of this is when a student is often labeled o palagi siyang tinatawag na troublemaker. Siyempre, magko-continue o patuloy pa rin siyang mag-act as a troublemaker. The next theory is social control theory. In this theory, strong family or community ties discourage deviance. Weak ties make it more likely. So an example of this is when a person with a supportive family will most likely to avoid a crime. The next theory is differential association theory. In this theory, deviance is learned from people you spend time with. So an example of this is sumasama ka sa mga grupo na nag-act as a deviant. So, may influence ka nila na mag-act also as an deviant. The next theory is conflict theory. In this theory, deviance happen due to inequality and power struggles. An example of conflict theory is protests against unfair laws are seen as a deviant by those in power. The last theory is biological and psychological theories. In this theory states that some people may be more likely to act deviantly because of genetics or mental health. An example of this is an aggression linked to certain brain conditions.
Stigma. What is stigma? Stigma is like a negative label given to someone who breaks norms, leading to a judgment or exclusion. Or stigma affects how others see a person and how the person sees themselves, often leading to a low self-esteem and isolation. It means like a negative label or mark or disgrace to given to someone who breaks the social norms. It it can lead to a judgment or exclusion and sense of a shame. Are two effects of stigma. One is social impact and self-perception. Social impact is like people with a stigma are often seen as different or unworthy, leading to a discrimination and social isolation. Second is self-perception. Stigma can lower self-esteem, making individuals to feel ashamed and less confidence themselves. And that's all.